phrasal verbs for restaurants and cafes. Eat out, meaning eat at a restaurant instead of at home. We don't want to cook tonight, so let's eat out. Do you prefer cooking or eating out on weekends? Check in, meaning confirm your table reservation. I need to check in with the host for our table. Please check in at the front desk when you arrive. Sit down, meaning take a seat together. The cafe is full, so we cannot sit down yet. Let's sit down by the window to drink our coffee. Look over, meaning read or check quickly. Give me a minute to look over the menu. She looked over the dessert choices before ordering. Decide on, meaning choose what you want. Have you decided on what you want to eat? I finally decided on the chicken pasta. Order in, meaning get food delivered home. It's raining, so let's order in some pizza tonight. We decided to order in instead of going to the cafe. Call over, meaning ask waiter to come. Excuse me, can you call over the waiter for the bill? He called over the server to ask for more napkins. Dig in, meaning start eating food happily. The food is hot, so please dig in. We were so hungry that we dug in immediately. Dig into, meaning start eating specific food. I can't wait to dig into this chocolate cake. He dug into his steak as soon as it arrived. Pick at, meaning eat very small amounts. Are you feeling sick? You are just picking at your food. She didn't like the soup, so she just picked at it. Pig out, meaning eat a huge amount. We pigged out on burgers and fries last night. I always pig out when I visit the buffet restaurant. Polish off, meaning finish all your food. He is so hungry he's polishing off the entire pizza. She polished off her dessert in 2 minutes. Fill up, meaning become completely full. Don't fill up on bread before the main meal arrives. That big bowl of soup really filled me up. Water down, meaning make a drink weaker. The ice melted and watered down my iced coffee. This juice tastes completely watered down. Warm up, meaning make cold food hot. Could you please warm up my coffee in the microwave? I need to warm up these leftovers for lunch. Cool down, meaning let hot food cool. Let your soup cool down so you don't burn your tongue. I'm waiting for my hot tea to cool down a little bit. Leave over, meaning save unfinished food. We have a lot of pizza left over from the party. We can leave it over for tomorrow. Pack up, meaning put leftovers in box. Can you please pack up the rest of my meal? The waiter packed up our leftover cake for us. Wrap up, meaning cover leftovers for takeaway. Could you wrap up this extra slice of pizza for me? I'll wrap up the rest of my sandwich and eat it later. Pay up, meaning give money owed completely. It's time to pay up and leave the restaurant. We collected the cash from everyone to pay up the bill. Split up, meaning divide the bill equally. Let's split up the bill between the three of us. We always split up the cost when we eat out together. Chip in, meaning contribute money for bill. Everyone chipped in $5 to pay for the tip. If we all chip in, we can buy a big birthday cake. Top off, meaning fill a half-empty cup. Would you like me to top off your coffee, sir? The waitress topped off our glasses with fresh water. Clear away, meaning remove dirty plates. The server came to clear away our empty plates. Please clear away the table before bringing the dessert. Hold back, meaning leave out an ingredient. Can you please hold back the onions on my burger? I asked the chef to hold back the spicy sauce.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.